Hello guys, so sa page na to, i-discuss natin yung all about natural selection. When we say natural selection, in short, this is the evolution of species from several random genetic variations. Pag sinabi natin genetic variations, these are the changes that happens in DNA of an organisms. While also, natural selection can also be summarized by saying environment or nature chose organism. So, in other words, kapag yung environment natin is nag-choose ng organism na makasurvive, ang tawag doon is natural selection. To represent this, for example, let's have a parents, and these parents, let us say na to si parent X at ito naman si parent O. And nasa loob sila ng isang environment. Sa loob ng environment na yun, meron silang offspring. Si parent X and parent O, meron silang offspring na XO, O, OX, X, and so on like that. So, sa loob ng environment, let's say na sa panganak ng dalawang parents na to, ito yung mga anak nila, yan, sa panganak ng mga parents na yan, is nakakapag sila ng offspring. Yan. Example, ito si parent 1, ito si parent 2. And the rest na nandito sa baba is offspring na. So, pag ipapasok natin yung word na natural selection, this is like the nature chooses an organism that can survive within an environment. So, for example, ang gusto ni nature ay i-survive lang si genetic X or si species X rather. Example ito yung gustong i-survive ni nature, yung mga X. So, in the next generation kapag itong mga X na to, itong mga X na yan, ito X na yan, possible na kapag nakapag-breed pa sila into other organism within their environment, makakapag-produce na lang ng maraming X na offspring. So in that case, bihira na lang yung mga organisms na merong OX, O, ganon, since mas marami na yung X kesa sa O, since nakaka-survive yung organism X from an environment, while yung others naman is na-eliminate kasi hindi nila kaya makasurvive within the environment. So this, in short summary, is like the environment is choosing an organism that can survive within a nature. So that is natural selection.